much Puerto Rican food and I am not mad at it. Like, hey you guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of our Puerto Rico trip, and it's starting off in the beautiful town of Caguas, where Joelle's aunt and uncle live, and this is where we're going to be staying. This is their beautiful house. We're so blessed to be there with them and spend so much time together. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's go. Hey you guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of our Puerto Rico trip. We are headed to Isabella and we are so excited. I've never been anywhere out here, so it's been really fun exploring the island and seeing what Joel has already seen, because he's been out here ever since he was a little boy. We're very excited to have you with us, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I do want to start off by saying you're going to be seeing a lot of driving here and there, but I just want you guys to see how truly beautiful this area is. This is a beautiful viewpoint in Isabella, and over there off in the distance is the tunnel that we're going to be taking you to next. It is so gorgeous. Just soak it in, people.
What you got, bro?
Chicken empanadilla.
See?
Here.
Eating alcapurria. You show it? It's got beef in it and yucca plant. This is empanadilla or empanada chicken. And mine is beef.
Are you okay? This area is just so gorgeous. When you first walk through and you see the palm trees just grazing over the sand and out looking on the water, it is so beyond beautiful, you guys. And then all the beautiful paintings and the tunnel off in the distance. Don't pass the opportunity to see this area, and oh my gosh, the beauty and the history is amazing.
How you loving it, babe?
I love it, but it's hot. It's actually nice right here. It feels really good. Oh, there's a wait. Oh, babe, look at that. Once you get in the tunnel, it's a very short walk to the end, and there'll be some really great views of the ocean, a bit of cliffs, so be careful. And there is a little short walk. I'm not sure how far it goes. We did not do that, but I'm sure there's so much more to see. I love how protective Joelle's Theo was of Jalen, because Jalen wants to touch everything, he wants to explore, and thinks he's older than what he is. But it was so sweet the way he just wanted to protect him. I mean, he wouldn't even let the swing go. It's just so cute. Cara del Indio, which translates to Indian face, is a beautiful monument to a Taino Indian chief who fought against the Spaniards in the year 1511 and died in battle. There was an artist who came and built the face in the wall to look like the Indians had done it back then, but it was actually done in the year 2000. He is now the entrance to Isabella, Puerto Rico, who greets everyone, still protecting his land. Joel really wanted to learn more about his family's history, so his tia and Theo took us to his great-grandfather's house. He used to own all this land where he operated a tobacco field behind the house with several acres of land to call his own. There is now a bunch of homes, but that house was built later. Before, it used to be wood. There's nothing remaining of it and no pictures as well. But it's so beautiful, so historic, and actually the street is named after him. Joel's Theo actually said that his great-grandfather used to haul the tobacco just like in that picture with the 2 oxen and the wagon. Isn't that so cool? After a delicious meal, we drove through the streets of Isabella to get to these gorgeous beaches that his Theo wanted to show us. We were so amazed by the beauty, the rocks, and the sand. It was just so unique out there, and I loved every moment of it. We got so many great pictures and so many beautiful memories, especially with the pouring rain, as you will see. Pouring in Puerto Rico. It's crazy. Oh my God. One of the most unique things about Puerto Rico is that every town has a plaza, and in that plaza they have their stores and they have their church, and it's usually, from what I've seen, always a Catholic church. And I just love it because, as you know, I'm Catholic, and I just love seeing all of the churches. They're so beautiful. There's just so much history everywhere you look, and everybody is so kind. So we're at Walmart right now. It is crazy here. Like, they have a guy to sell sodas or water for $1 because it's so busy. It was so hard to find a parking spot. We just need a few things for the kids. And it's pouring right now. And the cool thing about the rain here in Puerto Rico is that it stops as fast as it starts. But I told Joel I wanted to stay in here because it was raining. It just takes too long to get the kids out, so we're gonna actually go head over to Pigtown, I think it's called. They just cook a lot of pork, so we're gonna go there, and then another area that I can't remember what's called, but we'll find out when Joel gets back in the car. We finally made it to Guavate. This place is so cool, and everywhere you look, there is a roast pig. It's so neat to see, and you really feel like a local when you go to these places. And a lot of the time, if you don't know Spanish, somebody will know English. However, the deeper into, and I guess further away from San Juan that you get, the less people are gonna know English. So do keep that in mind. Was not with Joel when he ordered our food, but he got something I liked, which was delicious, and I will show you guys. However, when you order a plate here, he would say it was about $12 to $15 a plate. It just depends what you get. Also, that is not including the drinks. We got sodas, and usually if you order in Puerto Rico a soda, it will always be canned and there are no refills. So that's a little hint. It's another drive time. If you guys are with somebody who's a local, tell them to take the scenic route. It is so beautiful out here. You are not going to miss those freeways, okay? Just get in there and be a local for one day. If I had to choose, I would say Plaza de Caguas was my favorite. There was just so much to see. The birds were cute. The boys loved them. They had gorgeous trees. They had tons of souvenir shops, another beautiful church, as you will see, and a really great little ice cream shop, which I will not show because I did not record that. Off the corner left side of the church, you can't miss it. And look, hey, wow, cheese. You're so goofy. Ever since we decided we were going to Puerto Rico, Joel has been talking about this great French bakery. It's located in Caguas, and you can't go wrong, you guys. It's delicious. It smells amazing. The prices are good. And there's even a pizza place that they also have on the other side, as you can see. Welcome to the Yunque Rainforest. I have never been to a rainforest, so this was beautiful. You are required to make reservations at least 1 month in advance, and it's $2 per person. So do make sure you go online and do that, or you will not be able to get in. The first viewpoint and waterfall is La Coca Falls. It is beautiful, and you do not want to miss it. You can actually even climb up there by a trail. Just be aware that it does pour, so be careful. So we are in
Yunque, Rainforest.
I'm not even gonna try to say it. We just saw the beautiful waterfall. It is so amazing. If you guys are coming or planning coming to Puerto Rico, do visit this rainforest. It's so gorgeous. It's pouring right now, so we're just hanging out in the car, but we're gonna head up to, what is it called?
The tower. The
little tower where there's an amazing view of all around your surroundings and the beautiful rainforest. So this is what it looks like if you're driving through here and it's raining. You do have to be careful because the roads are very small. I mean, 2 cars can still fit, but you want to kind of stay on your side because you never know who's going to come around one of these corners. It's so beautiful. I'm in total awe. So Joelle said that there's other beautiful waterfalls, but you just have to be prepared to hike. And here is the tower. Right here, you climb the stairs and it'll take you all the way up, and we're going to show you guys. Oh my God. Are you tired? There's a lot of stairs, but it's worth it. This tower is so gorgeous, but I do recommend that you bring an umbrella just in case it pours because you don't know when that can happen. Unfortunately, that didn't happen to us. Ha ha ha. But we enjoyed every moment up there, and right after we got up there, there was probably like 50 people up there. It was crazy packed. But we got some great views right before, and somebody was nice enough to take a family picture. We made it! If you're a plant lover like me, or you grew up with parents that were obsessed with plants like my mom, love you mom, you will appreciate these clips. These are, I believe, pothos, just growing up the trees. Like, it's incredible. Like, and they are huge, you guys. That's why I had showed you earlier my hand next to one. But take in all the beauty. Now we're going to Luquillo Kiosks. These are delicious food vendors. I don't know, I think there's maybe 50, and you can just walk up to these windows and order food, and everything, well, almost everything is so yummy. Once we had our fill, we headed over to Laquillo Beach.
Hi, he's waving.
This beach was beautiful. I know
Wow,
I say
look
that
at
about
my
everything, you guys,
baby.
but it really is. Parking is $5 a day, and it has to be cash. Also, this beach was so clean. I don't think I saw any trash. You guys, really quick, can we just look at my son, who is now 3 years old? He's so cute. He blows my mind. And also, to use the bathroom, it's $1 cash. If you want to include the shower, it's $2. Totally worth it. They'll put a wristband around your wrist, and it's clean and safe. For a beach that is considered popular, it really wasn't that busy, and we just had such a great time. That water was amazing. I wish you guys had like Fill-A-Vision. After that, we ended up going to this great restaurant that is actually in that same kiosk, and we had some delicious Puerto Rican food with Joelle's cousins and Theo overlooking the ocean. That night was perfect. Don't forget to try yourself a pina colada because they were invented in Puerto Rico. You're welcome.
Say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese.
I have to share this because it's too cute not to. Joelle's cousin was teaching Jalen how to raise his eyebrows, and it is so cute.
This is pernil, fried pork shoulder that my aunt and uncle made with some rice and beans. Yum, yum, yum.
This is probably my favorite part of the whole trip when we visited Joelle's other Tia and Theo on his dad's side, because both Joelle's parents are from Puerto Rico, and this is in Bayamon, and his uncle had a huge backyard with amazing fruits, and we just had such a great family time and celebrating Jalen's birthday.
Carambola.
Carambola. Look at this.
Wow. That's so cool.
It's a star. So can you just eat it or?
Yes.
What are you doing?
How scary it is. It just drops.
Whoa.
Been doing this all his life.
Okay, so under that it's brown.
Yeah.
Okay, because I was wondering how they look like that. I didn't. Whoa. That's okay. That hit me in the forehead, but it didn't hurt. Wow. We're just putting you to work. That's all. Coconut.
Okay, you drink it.
Fresh coconut. Thank you, Theo. Okay. Okay.
Fast.
Oh, you see?
That's coconut. That's good. You want to try it? There's still more. You want to taste it?
There's juice in there.
It's like milk. Drink it. No, drink it. Drink it. Babe, look at him. More. Did you taste it? Whoa. Do you like it? Do you know that's coconut? Yep. No. It's raining. Hurry, come on. Let's go. Hurry, we gotta go before it starts pouring. Hurry.
I was so pleased to meet another cousin of Joelle's and her 2 kids. They were so sweet, and everybody they're just so loving and kind. And that goes for the whole island. I haven't met a person I didn't like out there. Like this? Like this?
You excited?
No! I almost touched it right now. Okay.
1, 2, 3. En español, en español. Que Dios te bendiga.
It's always such an honor to be surrounded by Joel's family and how loving they are. And I do want to share with you guys the sounds of the coquis, which are the little frogs of Puerto Rico. Well, today's our last full day in Puerto Rico. We are on our way to go get some like last minute souvenirs. Yes, your birthday. We celebrated Jalen's birthday last night, as you saw. It was so much fun. Then we're gonna be going to, you say Piñones? Did I say it right? I struggle. And it basically just has delicious food that I've never been to, so I'm excited. Puerto Rican food's pretty great. And we just got to the plaza right now, so let's go.
Hey, they have a trolley here. Trolley bus. Look at that. So instead of going to,
Piñones.
I forgot. We're actually at the Mall of America, which is pretty cool and it's huge. So let's go take a look.
Plaza Las Americas was amazing. There is everything you need in this mall. There was even a place for you to get your passport done. It's incredible, the things they have in this mall. It's huge, it's 3 stories, you can't get bored. There's so much to do, so much to eat, so much to see and to buy. But we did not buy very much because we had a plane to catch the next day. Okay, you guys, look at this Hot Topic. It is the hugest one I've ever seen. Usually they're so crammed. And they have a Sears. Like, does anyone have a Sears where they live? Because all of ours have closed down here in Washington, California. Joel bit into it before before we could video it, but
So
look
good.
at that thing. Wow, kind of looks like poop. Is it good? Oh. It was time to check out the food court. Oh my gosh, it was huge. There was probably like 50 little restaurants and a game arcade. It was really cool. I ended up getting a delicious quesito and a drink because it was gonna be my last one. Joel's doing a fantastic job driving for the first time all by himself. Actually, that's not true. But it is different driving in San Juan than... Where are we?
Caguas.
Caguas. Caguas. That's how my Duolingo app sounds all the time. They have like this really crazy accent. After making sure that everything fit and our weight was correct in our luggage, we had a delicious breakfast with his family, said our goodbyes, and headed to the airport. Then we bought some alcohol and more souvenirs. Good times. We were so sad to leave, but you know, it was such a great experience and I really can't wait to go back. If you guys haven't seen our first video of San Juan, please go visit it now. Here's a link. It was so fun and so beautiful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless.